Welcome to Happy Learning. Now we will see the theory of intelligence. In that we will know about two-factor theory of Spearman. Spearman is an English psychologist, born 1863. His theory is known as two-factor theory. According to him, intellectual ability are comprised of two factors, the general ability known as G factor and the specific abilities known as S factor. The performance by the individual is determined by the G factor and the S factor. The total intelligence of the individual is the sum total of the G factor and the S factor. The performance of a particular task depends on the G factor or general ability and the particular S factor or specific ability. Coming to know about the G factors, that is general factor, it is universally inborn. It is general mental energy. It is constant and this G factor differs from individual to individual. It is used in every activity of life. Greater the G factor of an individual, greater his success in life. Now coming to know about the characteristics of S factor, it is learnt and acquired in the environment. It varied from activity to activity in the same individual. Individuals differ in the amount of S ability, that is specific ability. G factor represents native intelligence, thus when we respond to any situation or perform an intellectual task, our general mental ability of G factor is mainly responsible for it and our specific ability in that particular task is responsible for the rest. There are a large number of specific abilities such as ability to draw interferences, ability to complete sentence, ability to code messages, etc. Now we can see through the diagram the G factors and the other specific factors. So general factor is seen and so many other specific factors are also seen here. Different individuals differ both in their G factor as well as S factor. For example, an individual performance in literary is partially due to his general intelligence and partially due to some specific attitude for his language. So it comes as G plus S1. In mathematics, his performance may be the result of G plus S2. If it is in drawing, it may be G plus S3, and maybe in social science, if it is means G plus S4. Thus, the factor G is present in all the specific activities. So now coming to the educational implication and relevance of Spearman's two-factor theory, the theory gives a better insight to the teacher about the nature of intelligence. General ability differ from individual to individual. The specific ability also differ from individual to individual. S factor varies in degree, therefore, it cannot be modified by learning or habitual training. A child requires different amount of G and S factors for achieving success in different subjects. We require a high quality of G factor for our success in life. Both G and S have high correlations. Thus, this theory can be used to guide construction of a set of ability test. Please make utilization of this theory. Thank you.